Okay, we have been in this house so many times. At least once a year she called me to do the windows and the screen. We are using a screen washer. The name of this screen washer is Aztec Innovation. He's washing the screen, and then by hand with a little brush he's gonna clean the frame. He also has a magic eraser on the side in case that he needs it. He's drying the frame. And then with a towel he removed the soap and the water from the screen. He's gonna do the same thing in all the screens. Ponlo en un side. He's gonna do another screen. You can do it by hand, water, brush, soap, but we find out that this screen washer is really good and it will save us some time and we will look more professional. If you need your screen or windows clean, just call us at 407-572-4118. Thank you. In the other side, so there is dusting the blinds. We were hired to do a deep cleaning in and out. In the meantime, Davis is cleaning the screen and he will clean the windows, the frames and the rail.